Welcome to Maths for You channel. A past question from Oxford and Cambridge board, simple algebra and inequality. Number 1, show that square root of 27 plus square root of 192 equal a square root of b. So we need to show in the form of a square root of b. A, b are prime numbers to be determined. So we can write that question again. A square root of 27 plus square root of 192 equal a square root of b. So a, b are prime numbers. Let's start from the left hand side. So the left hand side, if we take left hand side, the 27 can be written in as 9 times 3. 9 is a complete square, and 3. And the 192 can be written as 3 times 64. 64 here is a complete square. The 9 out of square root sign, 3. 3 root 3. 64 out of square root sign, 8. 8 root 3. And the 3 plus 8 is 11 root 3. So this is in the form of a root b. And again, prime numbers. 11 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number. So a equal 11 is a prime number, b equal 3 is a prime number 2. So that's simple as that, done. And the second part, inequality. Solve the inequality modulus 2 plus x less than 5. That's the inequality. So we write that 2x plus 1 modulus less than 5. This type of question, the best to do a square both sides and then tackle it. That'll be the best way forward. So 2x plus 1 square, a square is 2x plus 1 squared, and less than 5 squared is 25. If you expand that square is 4x squared plus 4x plus 1 less than 25. Bring that 25 to left hand side. 4x squared plus 4x plus 1 minus 24 less than 0. So 4x squared, plus 1 and minus 24 is minus 25 is minus 24 less than 0. We can take 4 as a common, remove it. So 4 from the first one, 4 from the second one, and 4 is common, 24 times 4 times 6. So x squared plus x minus 6 less than 0 is in the second order function or quadratic function. So we can factorize to linear function. I normally do it, just put a little cross. X squared, the factors of x squared, x times x, and factors of 6 is 3 times 2. It can be 6 times 1 as well, but when you look at it, 3, 2 would be the right one. So x times x, xx, and 3 minus 2. So just see x times x, x squared. 3 times x is 3x. Minus 2 times x is minus 2x. So 3x plus minus 2x is just x. That's what we want. And minus times plus is minus. 2 times 3 is 6. So minus 6. That's the factors are linear factors are x minus 2, x plus 3. Right. So 2 linear factors are in multiple less than 0. So it should be, there must be, not should be, must be one of them less than 0, one of them greater than 0. Let's take the first one less than 0. The next one is greater than 0. X minus 2 less than 0 and x plus 3 greater than 0. If that's so, x is less than 2 and x is greater than minus 3. So the lower limit is minus 3, upper limit is 2. So x will fall between 2, positive 2 and negative 3. I put a little sketch or diagram for understanding. So it's 2 and minus 3 it will be. But just to consider the other option, we took it as x minus 2 less than 0. So now take it as s minus 2 greater than 0, x plus less than 0, just to make it it's not the right approach, right? For x minus 2 greater than 0, x must be greater than 0. This greater than 2. Otherwise, it won't be greater than 0. So if that's x greater than 0, x plus 3 must be greater than 0. Therefore, both greater than 0 is not the right approach. So not valid. So x minus 2 greater than 0, x plus 3 less than 0, not valid. So I just ignore it. But right, this is we see the modulus function inequalities or modulus inequality. We just squared both sides and found the range. But I just, those of you interested in other way around, I just wanted to do another method, so it might benefit some of you guys. Right, method 2, using the graph sketching method to find the range. So right. Okay, this we know that 2 plus x is modulus 2 plus x graph. So the if we do that, and 2 plus x y2 plus x on the right hand side at the pivot point where x cut the x-axis minus half, because of 2x plus 1 is equal 0, x equal minus half. So it cuts the x-axis at minus half, and then reflection to x-axis, the other side, left hand side, which equation would be as a minus. So y equal minus 2x plus 1. The right hand side equation, the line is y equal to x plus 1. The left hand side is y equal just minus because of the reflection of x-axis, minus fx, the right hand side, minus fx on the left hand side. If the function is fx, fx the right hand side, minus fx on the right left hand side. So the function is 2x plus 1. So y equal to x plus 1. This side, y equal minus 2x plus 1. Right. Now we wanted to find these two. So now we have drawn this modulus function, sketch modulus function. So it's like a V shape. So this V shape is less than 5. So it's less than the y value, say y value 5. So just put a dotted line, parallel line, that is y equal 5. The reason why I put a dotted line is not equal 5, it's less than 5. So it is anything below that the line, this modulus curve is the limit we need to find. So if you look at it, that the left hand side, it cuts at A, I just put it A, and cuts at B on the right hand side. So if you do find the values for A and B, then we got the answer, right? 2x plus 1 modulus s and 5. That's the actual the graph which we have drawn. The pivot point is minus half and 0. Right, sketch the graph which we have done. A is cuts the y equal, so y equal 5 and y equal minus 2x plus 1. So if that's so we can find A. 5 equal minus 2x plus 1, 5 equal minus 2x minus 1. Bring that minus 1 to the other side. 6 equal minus 2x, x equal minus 3. So it actually cuts at minus 3. So I just constructed to meet the x-axis, which is minus 3. And then again the b, to find b, 5 equal 2x plus 1. So 2x, 1 cancel out, to 5 minus 1 is 4. So 2x equal 4, x equal 2. Again, the construct from b, it cuts 2. So the actual, the value for the range for x is between 2 and minus 3. 2 and minus 3. So this is, those of you would like to see the graph sketching method and find the range, this is for you. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel and share the contents with other students and friends. Please do send some similar questions, for me to make more videos, and you can benefit from them. Thank you.